How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. Today, going for a little bit of a different species. We're going for some Rocky Mountain Redfish. Hopefully we get on something. I'm sure we will. It's a good little spot to go to. We're at a little bird sanctuary. As you can hear and tell behind me, lots of birds here, but also there's a lot of carp. Let's get to it. When you're out fishing for carp, well, when I'm out fishing for carp, I kind of just look around, see any disturbance in the water. Like right now I see like 3 or 4 fish down here. You just look for little swirls in the water. And I'm actually throwing, they're 2 really ugly flies. This thing's a little booby, I think they call it, or something. Carp like boobies, just like me. I just kind of wait for a swirl to happen, and then when I see that swirl, toss my fly in there, kind of just jig it, and your line will go straight, and you'll take it, and you can set the hook, and kablamo, you got a carp on. Nathan saw a fish come up earlier, like come up for a dry, and we thought, well, that's weird, because there shouldn't be anything other than carp in here. It's kind of this really gross, mucky pond, and he said that it's a carp, which is super weird. I've never seen a carp take a dry. I'm gonna get fishing, because I have one headed right towards me. Let's do this. Up here, guys. He's never gonna get tired like this. Jeez, man. There are so many carp in here, as you can see by the video before. They're coming up. They're coming up to this grass and just kind of munching. So hopefully we can start slaying them here now that we know what they're eating. At least we got one. Hear him like making a weird noise. One. Oh my. Good size on the leech. Do you think you can get him in, or do you need my help?
I think I could probably get him.
Nathan, looks like you're ready to snap that rod.
Ah, god damn it.
Snapped you clean off, buddy. We're getting there.
It's on you, not the... Oh, there we go. Crisp.
We're getting there. But not quite the size that we're looking for. Another freaking Rocky Mountain Redfish. Oh man! He really just splashed me, dude. This water is disgusting, too. Oh. Gross. No. about the size of the last one. Not quite the size we're looking for. But he fought much, much harder. He was freaking running down this canal. Or swimming. I was running.
Focus. Here we go.
Mm-hmm. Focused?
Yep.
Sweet. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today. Kind of a goofy little vlog today, but everything's so blown out. We don't really know where to fish. It's not that we don't know where to fish, but not a lot of places are good fishing right now. So you can always trust on the trusty dusty carp spot. Nathan, how was your day of fishing?
I had 2 pretty nice ones break me off because we didn't have a net big enough again. So it was tough.
Nathan keeps saying that he's going to invest in a bigger net, and I have yet to see it. So, but
money's tight.
money's tight. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. I have Nathan's Instagram link down below. Make sure to give it a follow. That brown trout from our last vlog ended up being one of his most liked pictures, so that was pretty cool. Make sure to check out the fly project. I'm going to link them down below as well. We didn't use any of their equipment today. I'm wrong. Nathan used their balance leech like always. It's Nathan's freaking staple right there. I am thoroughly convinced that Nathan has no other flies besides the balance leech inside of his fly box.
I'm working on filling it with all balance leeches right now, actually, because it's the only fly that works.
Jesus. Alright guys, I'm going to link them down below. You can go pick up a balanced leech from Nathan at North 40. Go give Nathan a visit at North 40. It would mean a lot to him. Friday through Sunday, guys. Go visit Nathan. Alright guys, tune in next time where we catch bonefish on Tiber Lake.